Hey, I'm Sarah Wolf from reviewsbysarah.com. Today, I'm going to show you some of my favorite slimes and how I make them. Slime is still quite popular, and I love to get creative with mine. This first one is part crunchy, part sparkly. With this one, I used my basic slime recipe of water, clear glue, and liquid starch, which you can see in my first slime video. I added these colorful craft foam balls and iridescent glitter to the slime. If you are looking where to get these supplies, I'll have a list on my website, reviewsbysarah.com. This next one is a crunchy, almost fluorescent, blue sparkly slime. With this one, I used clear glue again instead of the white one. I also added blue craft foam balls. I really like this food coloring kit that is made especially for slime. I used the sky blue to make my last slime. Now this one is really golden. With this one, I used white glue so that it isn't transparent. Craft places have lots of fun glitter, and this gold chunky one is my favorite. This orange one is very similar to my blue one. It's part crunchy and part sparkly. As you can see, this one really sparkles due to the kind of gold glitter I added to this. I used holographic glitter that's cut in a different way than most sparkly stuff. And I definitely love this extra crunchy green slime. I added so many of those craft foam balls that it produces a really thick slime. I hope you have enjoyed all of my different slimes. Please like and comment on this video. And please push that big red subscribe button on my channel. And check out my website at reviewsbysarah.com.